Okay, so it's Sunday and we're here at the old McDonald's by the park, and we're going to be doing a little Spaghettifest today. And thankfully, all the volunteers that are actually doing all the work, Filipino friends, neighbors, family, are already here. Here they are, all our volunteers. Wave everybody. Hello, wave. Hey, wave, wave, wave. There's Nikki, Nano, Jun Jun. They're all here. Rica. Everybody's going to be helping out. And of course, the irreplaceable Bud Brown. The one, the only, the original. And we've already ordered 50 spaghetti meals. We're just waiting for those to cook up. And we got to go to the other McDonald's to get another 100 because they didn't have enough in stock yet. And they're doing selfies down there, of course. And we're getting it going. Yeah. All right, down here at Dumaguete Sunny Electrical Supply for all your electrical needs here at Dumaguete Sunny. Leah's got everything sort of organized. We got the first 50 spaghetti meals getting ready to go out. Our volunteers are going to be hardworking because we're not, as tourists, we're not allowed to work here, so we can't do any of the distribution or anything like that. So they organize it. The only thing I did was give them some money. And it's going to be 150 total meals. So there's Leah over there. She made it happen. Careful. Spaghetti for everyone. Spaghetti makes life better. Wala isa pa yan. Oh, this is very organized. Very organized. I'm probably going to disable the comments on this because the comments usually come in two fronts. First off, for the people criticizing because I'm creating a spaghetti welfare dependency state or something, and the other one's because of too much effusive praise of how selfless and altruistic I am. And I can actually do without both those, so I'm probably gonna disable the comments. I'm not sure. We'll see. Look how well organized this is. They're actually having the kids go up two at a time, and then getting it over here. Very organized. Very organized. I like this. And finally, I've been at Dumaguete almost 5 years now. And Dumaguete's given me a lot. They've, allowed me basically to live here as a foreigner. I've made friends here, I've made connections. I got some spirituality involved with Dumaguete. So every now and then we do this, and this is just kind of my way of giving back that which was so freely given to me. So thank you, Dumaguete. This is for you. And spaghetti and ice cream makes everything better. That's just my humble. All right. Here comes part two. We're gonna pick up 100 more pieces of spaghetti. Great job, guys. Great job. Great work.
You don't like my driving, stay off the sidewalk.
Yeah. What'd you stop off at the drugstore? You were right behind us, and all of a sudden we came back out. They were bringing the stuff out. You were gone. I was like, where did you go?
Where did you come in?
Let's park right here. There's Nano. You guys having fun?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, good, good. It's important to have fun. Having fun and helping others with food. Hospitality. Got 100 more meals. Pass those babies out. Back down in Tinago. And actually doing this on a Sunday is pretty good because there's not much traffic. Lee Super Plaza. Yeah, alright, so we got 100 more pieces and they're heading back. Bye-bye! We'll catch up to you, hopefully. It's a beautiful day here in Dumaguete with the next delivery. And everybody seems happy. There's clapping, there's laughter. There is much celebration. Spaghetti makes life better. That and ice cream. Oh, back it up. Nice. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Here we go, stage 2. Get rid of another 100 meals. Spaghetti. Every day is Prince Spaghetti Day in the Philippines. Slow down, man. Slow down. Wala sa pa yan. Thank you. Thank you, Spaghetti. Spaghetti is akong balay. Akong puso. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Okay, that's enough. Okay, thank you. Yep. All right. Yep. All right. Yeah, so as they're going through the line here, a lot of them are coming by to me and saying thank you. It's not actually thanking me, it's thank you, Dumaguete. Thank you for the last 5 years and pretty much transforming my life and giving me a different perspective on things and making me appreciate and be grateful for a lot of things that I wasn't appreciative and grateful for before. So this works out. It's a win-win situation, and it's winding down to an end here. And
Thank you.
thank you. And again, thank you to Dumaguete for the past 5 years. Yeah. All right, so special thanks to Leah, who organized all this. She made all the tickets, made it orderly, and her assistant Chi Chi, and her assistant CJ. CJ, outstanding work, CJ. And now we're gonna head off for ice cream because it's been exhausting. It's been an exhausting day, and everything is better with spaghetti and ice cream. So that's where we're heading next. Back to McDonald's. Now my volunteers. It's volunteer appreciation hour. All the work is done, so we're all having ice creams. Everybody has ice creams, right? You all got ice creams? All right. Wait a minute, Jun Jun. Hey, how come they don't have ice cream? Oh, not everybody has ice cream, but most people have ice cream. We're getting there.